Sean, you want to come to 40?
Said, is somebody blowing up the building?
That's the fireworks display. Sean, come to 40.
Right here. Right here. Is somebody blowing up the building?
That's what she said.
Yeah.
You could, she could probably see it from her room.
She can't see it.
Huh?
Now she
No?
hear it.
Oh, because of the building.
Mm-hmm.
It's partly visible in 42.
You trying to get me to go back in there?
Huh?
You trying to get me to go back in there?
Uh-huh.
Trying to shoo me away?
No.
Yes, you are.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh. Oh, they didn't go.
That was your fault. We made her to miss this.
Then once she left out the room, she said, "I'm afraid of fireworks. I don't even like them."
Oh,
Who is that? 42.
she really is?
Mm-hmm. I hope they not doing all these fireworks near my baby. He gonna be scared. And he there by himself. Bless his heart.
Sean, what did you say about 54?
Somebody's blowing a building.
What?
She said somebody blowing up the building.
Oh my goodness. I put 39 on the post.
Oh, thank you. Let me go in there.
She just started. I told her to call whenever she's through.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
My brother and my sister-in-law was here last year,
Mm-hmm.
and
They came for a visit.
we went there. Yeah.
Yeah, he was gone for a month.
Uh-huh.
You were?
No.
Yeah, he didn't come to work.
3
just
weeks.
Because
Oh wow.
they were here, he didn't come to work for a month.
3 weeks. I brought them here.
Mm-hmm.
I think I saw that. I saw you took a picture of like
Yeah.
your family when.
I was forced to introduce Sean and she wanted to them.
Forrest, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, bro.
Michelle and Marcella were working.
Yeah, I think I remember I saw Michelle.
I have to wake up Michelle and Sean. Ooh,
I was
Sean was
working.
so busy. She was working as if only on that night. I said, "Oh, Sean, you really are working?"
He was thinking I was gonna be at the desk. He came up here.
I'm sending this to them.
Your brother's them?
Mm. I'm sending this to my brother.
They have kids?
Yeah, got 4. The second is a twin. Our eldest is 4. I have 3, and then our youngest is 2.
You talk to Tessa?
Who?
Tessie? That's her name?
We were supposed to go there Monday. I was just so tired. Leaving Galveston, we're supposed to drive all the way to their place.
How was the beach?
It was good. It was so hot.
I bet.
Ooh. I mean, Galveston is. I would prefer Orange Beach, but Alabama than Galveston.
Yeah. Well, but you've never been to Galveston, so I guess
This is our first.
Oh, that one was good.
The house that we got was close to the beach, and we only paid a little over $1,000 for 3 nights.
Well, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
What y'all got, an Airbnb?
VRBO.
Who?
VRBO.
Verbo.
Mm-hmm. It's the same thing as Airbnb. Search us, their search engine.
I wonder what's the difference though. Like, is it better than Airbnb
No, it's
or
the
is
same.
it about the same?
It's the same.
I never used that before.
You've been using Airbnb?
Yeah. My sister was the one that introduced us to that. She booked us.
I don't know which one has more, because both are just search engine.
I have one.
It's nice.
Was that like
This
the
is
end
usual.
or something?
Huh?
Is that
No, there's usually 15 minutes.
usually towards the end they're gonna do more?
It's only 8 minutes right now. I know they got more. The bigger ones. When we came over, they used to do this by the Forsyth boat launch.
Yeah.
And we used to live at the Riverside apartment, so just across the street and into that levee.
There's a lot of fireworks. She said, I know it's gonna end soon so I can go to bed. Okay, ma'am. Sean, how long you been here? St. Francis?
3 years.
So you started in 19?
Mm-hmm.
20?
20.
So who was here before Sean?
She brought COVID to St. Francis.
What?
Oh my goodness.
What?
That was a very serious,
It was in 2020.
yes.
Yeah.
The first wave.
So it came. I'm like, oh my god.
Started in 19 and I think all the time I started with sitting with the sister first, and that was the first time I knew that we had fireworks here. I never had a time to
Oh.
go see. Because you know I work days, so when I leave it's only 7 o'clock.
Third was your first floor. When you third floor.
Yeah. Well, I started as a nurse in 21, and that was when we started on third. So if you don't get up onto the garage, then where can you go to watch this fireworks?
Levy or the Antique Alley Park.
So it's gonna be packed because a lot of people
Yeah,
go
Yeah.
it
there.
is. It's a lot of people. It's some people standing in front
There's
of
not much people on top.
Because me and Michelle used to stand in front of the what the entrance, main entrance.
You can still see the fireworks from there.
Where?
Main entrance.
The main entrance.
Oh,
I didn't know that. I thought all the trees gonna.
No, but them birds that's right there as soon as you coming out, I'm gonna have you running. That's pretty right
That's it.
I think that's it.
there. No, I'm just like me.